Company background. The National Bookstore, or also known as NBS, is the biggest bookstore chain in the Philippines. It sells educational, professional, and social communication products. It operates a bookstore and office supply store chain of the same name. It is the largest bookstore chain in the Philippines with over 230 branches nationwide. For 75 years, National Bookstore Incorporation's, the Philippines' largest books and supply store, has been providing the consumer affordable educational commodities. And it is also part of their company's core values is to help unprivileged children.
For vision and mission, for the National Bookstore's vision and mission, we took the official statements directly from their website. We didn't make any changes because we believe their existing vision and mission are already well written and effectively reflect the company's goals and values.
So, as stated on National Bookstore objective is that we aim to make Filipino love books, and we shall develop readers by making books more accessible to the people who need them the most. Our purpose is to serve our customers with tools that enrich their minds and improve skills to ensure their success. So, to sum it up, is that ang pinaka-aim ng National Bookstore is that maging love ng Pilipino ang pagbabasa ng books, and by that, ibibigay ng National Bookstore ang kanilang service by making the books, school supplies, and other office supplies na more on affordable and accessible so that Filipinos can be successful in the future.
So for strategic alternatives, stability strategy for National Bookstore means maintaining the current market position without major changes. So sa National Bookstore, ang ibig po sabihin nito ay continuing to serve its loyal customer with textbooks, school supplies, and office materials, kung ano lang yung usual na tinitinda or ino-offer ng National Bookstore without rapid expansion or risky moves. So instead of opening new branches or launching new product lines, National Bookstore focuses on number 1, improving store operations, 2, enhancing customer service, and last, managing inventory better. So this strategy works well in a stable market and help National Bookstore minimize the risks, maintaining loyalty and prepare for future growth. One example is like a restaurant that doesn't open new branches. Instead na mag-open sila ng new branches, they focuses on upgrading and training their staff para mas mag-serve ng better quality ng product or goods yung isang store.
Good day po ma'am, I'll be discussing recommendation stability po. Maintaining core operations po. Ang National Bookstore po ay nagpapatuloy sa kailang core operations, which is yung pagbibenta po ng schools and office supplies po. Ang focus po nila ang students, teachers, and mga office workers po. Kahit madami na po sila mga online competitions, hindi pa rin po sila nag-expand. Pagkus sila po yung pinapalakas po nila yung core business sila para manatili silang matatag po. Next naman po ay ang customer retention. Ang customer retention strategy ay nakatuon sa pagpapanatili ng kanilang suko. May loyalty program din po sila, which is yung Lucky National Card, na nagbibigay ng rewards, nakikipag-cooperate din po sila sa mga schools, nakikipag-partner din po sila sa mga regular customers, at nagbibigay ng regular promos para mas bumalik ang customers sa pamamagitan ng online updates at social media. Nagpapalalim po sila ng kanilang mga relasyon.
I'm Gina Lafite Morillo, and as for improved operational efficiency, gumagamit po sila ng technology para mas maayos yung inventory system, logistic, and customer service nang hindi na po kailangan ng expansion or yung pagbawas po ng operation. And that's all for stability.
The next one is the implementation. So the first one is the management plan. Each branch will be run by a branch manager handling daily tasks, staff, inventory, and sales. Supervisors will manage the sales floor, cashier, stockroom, and online orders. And the regional manager will oversee big decisions, meetings, and performance. The first part of the management plan is the inventory management. So, dito naman nakapaloob yung inventory manager na nag-check ng mga stocks. Like for example, sa national bookstores, meron silang partnership with other company na books or mga pens, ganyan. So, gaya po ng napag-usapan natin last time, yung hinahango po nila yung books pero hindi pa po yun binabayaran. So, after ng ilang days na usapan nila, weeks or months, titignan nila kung dun napapasok yung inventory, kung ilan yung sales nila sa mga books or other things sa loob ng national bookstore. Sa kanila, ibibigay yung sales ng company, kung anumang company yung nagkaroon ng benta. So, ayun po yung isa sa example ng inventory management. And isa din po dito yung pag-aayos ng shelves para kahit papano maayos pa rin yung arrangement ng mga books.
Sales promotion is the branch manager handles local marketing like store display, discount, event, and community partnerships.
And the next one is the customer service. So dito naman, the staff will be trained regularly to handle questions, solve problems, and create positive shopping experience. Dahil pinaka-importante din yung magiging feedback ng mga customers and importante yung treatment or yung service ng mga staff nila sa loob ng national bookstores.
Staff management. The branch manager hires, train, evaluate, and support the staff even through each member has clear duty.
And the next one is achieving sales target. Sa achieving sales target naman, kailangan meron silang sales target para ma-maintain pa rin yung store nila or yung branch. Like for example, sa mga previous na napag-usapan natin, marami na rin nagsara na national bookstore na branch. So, kailangan meron silang achieving sales target para alam din yung weak spot nila and magkaroon sila ng strategy, malaman nila yung, kung ano yung strategy na gagamitin nila para ma-overcome yung problem na yun sa branch or sa store, ma-overcome din yung, malaman din kung alin yung weak spot nila at mabigyan ng solution.
The store maintenance. The store cleanliness and look will be checked daily with regular repairs and keep-up plan.
So now let's proceed to the marketing plan. Digital marketing and online presence. The National Bookstore uses the internet to reach more customers. They promote their product online and keep people updated through social media and emails. This helps them connect better with buyers and make shopping more convenient. Next is community engagement and educational partnerships. They also support education by working with schools and local groups. They help by giving books and supplies, and they join programs that encourage readings. They show that they care about helping students and the community.
Next po is seasonal promotions and loyalty program. They offer special promotions po during important times of the year like Christmas, graduation, and back to school. And they have laking national loyalty card na binibigay po sa mga regular customer para sa points, discounts, and exclusive deals para ma-encourage yung mga customer po para mag-shopping pa po. And lastly po, sa merchandise expansion and exclusive collaboration, they continue to grow their product selection po with items like stylish stationery, school supplies, and lifestyle products po. They also team up with local artists, influencer, and publishers po to create fresh and exciting products po na nakaka-attract po sa mga younger customers. And that's all po sa market.
The NBS Loyalty Rewards Program. By checking customer feedback at kung gaano ka-effective ang program, gagamitin tong info para mga gawing mas personal at mas effective yung mga rewards. Alamin din kung aling rewards ang pinaka-ginagamit at pinakamagandang value, then doon sila mag-focus. Magdadagdag din ng membership levels na may dagdag na perks tulad ng exclusive discounts, early access sa sales, free shipping sa online orders at invites sa special events. So, enhance customer service training. We will improve our customer service training to all the employees. We'll check where our service needs to get better and prepare lessons on product knowledge communication, handling problems, and suggesting other useful products. We'll have a QR code feedback system para mabilis makapagbigay ng comments ang mga customers tungkol sa service and give recognition and rewards to employees that has an astounding performance customer service to keep them motivated.
So our third operational plan is that curated in-store events and workshop. So included dito is yung mga book club meetings, author signings and storytelling, workshop and events. So our plan is that maging more on active sa pakikipag-collaborate sa mga local authors, inventory and supply chain management. So our plan is that to have a real-time inventory about tracking the availability and stock monitoring about the products that we have. And we also plan to have a data analysis para mas maging handa sa mga future demands ng mga future customers. Then we also wanted to enrich connection with local and global publisher, so we can have more on collaboration with them and mapagpatuloy kung ano yung mga mayroon na yung National Bookstore sa ngayon.
So for workshops naman, we have POS and digital tool workshop, practical training on sales systems and digital inventory tools. We are also planning to propose 3 programs, such as first is cross-training program, so staff can work across different departments like cashier, stocks, and sales. Second one is employee recognition program, by giving monthly awards to boost motivation and morale of the employees or staffs. Also, the last one is relevant to these days is mental health and wellness program. It is a short activities or talks to avoid burnout and stress. For recruitment naman, we agreed on using a mix of traditional and modern recruitment. Modern recruitment like JobStreet, LinkedIn, and Facebook Jobs for online posting, and traditional recruitment like campus job fairs to attract fresh graduates and interns, and also employee referrals with incentives. So to keep naman the staff motivated with the realistic benefits, so aside from legal benefits like SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig, we suggest staff discounts on books and supplies like for their family or for them, and optional weekend off schedule can be done through rotation.
So good day ma'am, so here's the financial plan for National Bookstore. So we use the owner's equity because we all know that the National Bookstore have a position in the school supplies industry in the Philippines. So gagamitin po namin yung mismong pera nila para mapatakbo yung National Bookstore in the long run. And then andito rin po yung mga employees, staff, yung rent, and dito rin po makita nyo sa financial plan namin kung magkano po yung mga estimation namin sa kikitain ng National Bookstore monthly. So, thank you for listening, ma'am.
For takeaways, by doing the strategy management for National Bookstore, our group can learn how to analyze the market and understand the customer needs. It is important to create a clear mission and vision to guide National Bookstore goals. We will develop smart strategies such as developing online service and organizing community events to increase engagement. By regularly evaluating and adjustment to our plans, we aim to ensure the long-term success of National Bookstore. This experience also helped us to build teamwork and problem-solving skills. Overall, strategy management gives us a deeper understanding to how to run successfully business.